Hi guys, hot off the press today, we saw Fortescue Metals Group share price go up by almost 8%. It was driven by news of dividends. So we had a announcement of a 60-cent dividend. Pretty much the dividend's going to be paid on the 14th of June 2019. So with the 60-cent dividend that was declared today and also the 30-cent dividend that was paid in April, that's a total of financial year 19 of 90 cents dividend per share. That dividend is going to be fully franked. I think it's quite a good indication just how the company is performing at the moment. So paying down its debt. We've had some circumstances that have led to the iron ore price going up. So FMG received $71 a dry metric ton. That's US dollars for the last quarter. And that's why they're potentially paying out their dividend. Also, we've had some obviously with the way that politics are sort of going in Australia at the moment, it looks like we're going to possibly have a Labor government, and they want to change the franking credit. So FMG have a lot of franking credits, so they're possibly trying to get out in front of that issue as well and pay out their franking credits before we see a change in government and the franking credits, the rules around those change. So I think in the long run, FMG is quite possibly in a good position to benefit from the changes in the market. So we've had some issues with Vale, so they're taking out quite a large chunk of the seaborne exports. So they're looking at 2 to 3 years before they will actually be able to bring their capacity back up. FMG's in a position now that they're going to be investing in 2 more projects as well. So looking to invest a further $3.8575 billion, so almost $4 billion US dollars in 2 new projects. I think with the reduction in the capacity of producers such as Vale, that will actually, hopefully FMG be able to fill that gap a little bit, and maybe even possibly beat them into taking up some of that market share, which would be good for the company. With regards to a dividend, additional dividend, more traditional dividend paid out in the final end of the quarter, I think it's probably unlikely. According to some of the brokers, such as JP Morgan, they don't expect anything further announcements in August, and then another payout in October. Let's just have a quick through here. So pretty much, like I said, they're trying to take advantage of the really good prices at the moment. So they're getting above $71 US ton, and also the possible change in government and the change in laws around franking credits. So we had share price was up 7.6%, or thereabouts, so up to $8 today. So a really good rally. Payout ratio wise, so let me have a look here. So with the total dividend, so the 30 that they've already paid out in April and the 60 that they'll pay out now, so that sort of sits within the payout ratio band between 50 and 80%. Of the net profit after tax, so they're still sitting in line with that. So it's pretty unlikely that we'll see another payment, and if it is, it's going to be very small to fit inside the 50 to 80% payout ratio. So I just thought we'd give you an update. Like I said in the last video, I was kind of predicting that something like this would happen. I think the way that the company is paying down its debt, I think it's putting itself in a strong position going forward. For me, it's a long-term investment. I've been invested in the company for over 10 years, so a little over 10 years or thereabouts. So for me, it's vindication for hanging on, and it's a good company overall, and they're starting to diversify out now. So anyway, I just thought I'd put that little video together and sort of say g'day. Everyone can see my face again because I kind of hide behind my other videos. So just throw a few different things out there and say g'day to everyone and give people a quick update on the breaking news. Anyway, thanks guys. Enjoy. Ciao.